Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting chemistry video lessons by Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet. Now, in this particular video, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to be diving into some of the calculations under thermochemistry, starting from the standard heat of reactions. And we are picking the first one here, the standard heat of what now? Neutralization. Now, what is it? It is simply the amount of heat evolved or the amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of hydrogen ion from an acid reacts with 1 mole of hydrogen ion from a base to form 1 mole of water. Exactly. Under standard condition. Now we're going to be solving JAMB questions, typical JAMB questions, and also A-level questions, NEET exam questions, and JEE exam questions from India, and also Cambridge A-level exam. Now listen while I break it down for you to the barest minimum. Now, the question says, if the heat of neutralization of aqueous sodium hydroxide by nitric acid is this, calculate the heat of neutralization of sodium hydroxide by H2SO4. Very simple. Listen, very simple. Just understand the way I will solve it, then you can solve the rest, even without me telling you the answers for the second and the third. Now, so let us do it step by step. Now, the first one here. Now, remember, we'll give the reaction first. I'm having sodium hydroxide, right, plus HNO3. Listen, the product that you should get here should be what now? So you should get sodium nitrate plus H2O. Now look at it. Now they are simply telling you now that one, please take note, under heat of neutralization, your major interest is the molecule of water formed. So that delta H here that they gave you from the question was simply equal to negative 57.3 kilojoule. Negative 57.3 kilojoule. Now, they are now asking you for the delta H when sodium hydroxide reacts with H2SO4, which is sodium hydroxide by H2SO4 is equivalent to what now? Of course, with the reaction, we're having Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. You are looking for delta H here. Please, simple. Remember, I've told you just now, you are interested in water. Now, this is how you should break it down. Now, I will have to erase the board to create more space to answer it. Now, listen and listen very, very good. Now, how do I go about it? Take note. You are picking water and water here. The first one. So, you will now say 1 mole of H2O from the first one is equivalent to what now? Negative 57.3 kilojoule per mole, right? We got this statement now from this reaction of sodium hydroxide with nitric acid. Now they're asking you, what is the delta H here, which is, what is now my delta H here, right? When you are now having 2 mole of H2O. Simple. How do I get this 2 mole? Of course, 1 mole of water will give me this. Then 2 mole of water will give you what? Simple. You just cross multiply. My x is now equal to negative 57.3 times 2 should give me negative 114.6 kilojoule. It can be kilojoule per mole or it can be kilojoule. That makes our answer to that very question to be C. Very simple, right? Of course, I know that. You see, very, very simple. Very, very simple. Now we can quickly rush now to do for question 2. Now listen. But you can, of course, pause this video and quickly tell me your own answer if you understood what I just did. But if you can't, now listen to me now. You were given this, I say, given that this reaction here yielded 1 minus 120 kilojoule. Now find delta H for the reaction here, which is this one here. You're looking for delta H of this one here, which is number 2. So what do we do here? Remember, 3 mole of H2O is equivalent, we yield what now? Negative 120 kilojoule. Right? Which is 3 mole here, yielded this one. Then for water here, 2 mole will now yield what? Which is 2 mole of H2O would yield what? You cross multiply. X is now equal to 2 multiplied by negative 120, right? Divided by what now? 3. It's very simple. So I just do the math. That's 2 multiplied by 120. Okay, our final answer here is simply equal to negative 80 kilojoule. That is just the final answer. That is just the final answer. Exactly. Now, in the case of question 3, it is very simple. 1 mole of this is equivalent to this, right? Now you're looking for the delta. Find the enthalpy change for the formation of 20 grams of water. It's actually very simple. So what do? If 1 mole of this should give you this, then you are looking for the enthalpy change now of 20 grams of water. Meaning you have to convert this 20 grams of water to what now? To mole. Remember, 1 mole of this will give me this. Then convert this 20 grams of water here to mole will not be equivalent to what? Enthalpy. When you cross multiply, you do it. So quickly tell me your answer on the comment section below. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to all my social media handle, my Facebook, my TikTok. We are all on this platform. And for those of you looking for a one-on-one interaction class for a marathon preparation for your exams, do well to contact me via this line. And of course, we'll start our class immediately. And the price is very affordable. Thank you and God bless you.